So a very good morning everyone, and the time is around 6 a.m. in the morning, and it's 25th of December. So Merry Christmas to all of you, and just like every weekend मैं ride पे जा रहा हूँ, and Sanmit is probably leaving in another 15 minutes or so. So we are going to Igatpuri. There's one place जो हम लोगों ने last year ढूंढा था, and we go there very oftenly. So yeah, let's quickly get going because I'm completely geared up. As you can see, the top box is mounted, and yeah, let me get ready, and I'll see you on the road. Bye.
Alright, तो ठंडी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's I think 21 degrees, but it's fine. We were supposed to be leaving by 6:30 from Bhiwandi, but ये लोग अभी तक उठे नहीं हैं, and these people are running super late. तो मैं भी घर से थोड़ा लेट निकला हूँ, and कोई रश नहीं है वैसे because 25th है, ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा नहीं होगा hopefully. So yeah, I am at the दुर्गाड़ी रोड. यहाँ पे कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं दिख रहा है, बट व्हेन आई कम बैक इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ पेन. सो लेट्स refuel because there are only 2 bars left. So I'll refuel and then I'll get going. बाइक को कितना भी वॉश करो, द मोमेंट यू लीव द हाउस उतना गंदा होना ही है. तो मैंने वॉश करना बंद कर दिया वेरी फ्रैंकली. एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल टोल्ड मी कि यू नो यू कैन डू द पॉलिशिंग एंड many more things, but very frankly the place where I stay there's a lot of construction work going on, so makes no fucking sense कि मैं उसको polish करूँ and wash करूँ. So I recently got the fork risers installed, and because of that handlebar थोड़ा ऊपर आ गया, so becomes more comfortable for me on the long rides. This has to go यार, ये अब पुराना हो गया. Petrol price is 90 rupees per liter. Great. Yes, and I get a lot of questions from people asking me what is the average. So very frankly मैंने आज तक कभी calculate नहीं किया, but you know people say 25, 30, some even get a mileage of 35. So I have never calculated, but पता नहीं यार, मैंने कभी mileage देख के ये नहीं किया. But I must be getting around 25 or so, which is still fine with me. Full करूँ तो? Full. ओके, टंकी फुल. अब जाके रुकेंगे भिवंडी बाईपास, एंड होपफुली ये नमूने लोग जल्दी टाइम पे आ जाए. बट उसके पहले ही ये बहुत गंदा वाला ऑफ रोडिंग करना पड़ेगा. So it's 7 and मैं भिवंडी बाईपास सबसे पहले पहुंच गया हूँ, and we were supposed to leave here from at 6:30, but ये लोग अभी निकले हैं नहीं निकले हैं, I have no fucking idea. So I just got a message that he was sleeping. Oh god, that's terrible. तो अब क्या करते हैं, चाय पीते हैं, निकलते हैं. आता हूँ. So this is what happens when you come at 7:30 in the morning. काय लाज लज्जा शरम. मी बोर झालो तिकडे, मला आलो मागे परत. अरे तिकडे झोपायला लागली मला. तिकडे झोपलेला भिकारी तू. मी कधी उठलो, फर्स्ट टाइम बोलतो तो. 9 AM in the morning and we have not even reached Kasara. For some reason बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक है यहाँ पे, बहुत ज़्यादा, एक्सट्रीम. आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉन्ग वीकेंड, बट ठीक है, वी डोंट हैव टू रश. बहुत वक्त है, आज छुट्टी भी है. तो I just took a small break to clean my visor, and these people have gone ahead. So yeah, we'll probably take a halt in another 5-10 minutes, have a breakfast, बिकॉज जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं ऑप्शंस टू ईट, सो लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली गेट गोइंग। एंड ठंडी का तो यहाँ पे कोई चांस नहीं है, सो द रोड्स आर टेरेबल and this road still gives me goosebumps because the first ever accident which I had in my life was on this particular road. So you know, every time I go on this particular road I have to slow down, be careful. I have to be very careful, and I am very lucky that, you know, Sanmeet was there that day. He helped me a lot. But yeah, you know, like everyone says, there's always a first time for everything. This was the fucking road. I'll connect, एक second. The intercom was not connected. खाऊन घेऊया, काढताना आडवी करून मग फोटो काढून घेऊ. Constant. So we are done with the breakfast and हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हैं, कुछ 10 बज रहे हैं अभी. And yeah, the weather is getting a little hotter. But ठीक है, मज़ा ही आ रहा है because कुछ जल्दी नहीं है. So you know, we have our own sweet time. Besides that, place which we are going is amazing. So we don't have to rush. तो अभी विल क्रॉस द कसारा घाट, देन द इगतपुरी, एंड उसके बाद आई गेस इट्स मोर 30 or 40 minutes फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस. सो या, सो फार गोइंग गुड. लेट्स सी, आई सी यू गाइस ऑन द रोड. We entered Igatpuri and there's a lot of wind blast over here. Look at this view. We had come here last year in the rains, I believe, in the month of July. So you can see Trimbakeshwar, Devgaon, Vaitarna, and we are headed towards the Vaitarna. So yeah, I have to mount the GPS because roads थोड़े से confusing है, and as per the kilometer count it is 16 kilometers. So we are almost there. 10 minutes में हम लोग वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे, you know, and there is no greenery as such. थोड़ी सी गर्मी होने लगी अभी, so I have to remove the jacket. But the road is pretty good compared to the one which we had been earlier. तभी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉट होल्स थे, तो आई गेस ये लोग ने ये रोड का काम कर दिया. सो फार सो गुड, एवरीबॉडी इज़ डूइंग ग्रेट. आई जस्ट होप वहाँ जाने के बाद थोड़ा सा कूल हो, बिकॉज अगर पूरी धूप होगी तो बैंड बच जाएगी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग ऑन सिंगल लेन रोड, स्पेशली जब गाँव का एरिया होता है. तो सो फाइनली वी हैव मेड इट टू दैट पॉइंट. You just have to find a sweet spot to park the bikes in the shadow so that गर्मी से बैंड नहीं बचे. हवा तो बहुत ठंडी है यहाँ पे, बट यू नो स्टिल आफ्टर सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम थोड़ा गर्मी बढ़ने का चांसेस तो है. ओके फाइन, स्ट्रीम लेफ्ट. we'll have to find a sweet spot to go down, you know, somewhere here. तेच झाड आहे, आपण तिकडनं गेलो ना मगाशी, आता इकडून जाऊया. आहे काय, मी उतरली ना बाईक, आहे बघ, इझी आहे. तोच रोड आहे रे बाबा. हां तोच रोड आहे, इथनं आलो ना आपण फक्त. सो फायनली लुक ॲट दिस प्लेस. इट्स जस्ट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ द पिंपलगाव जोगा डॅम, बट इट्स मच मोर कूल ओवर हियर. So we'll park the bikes over here because इसके आगे फिर थोड़ा सा difficult होगा to get the bikes out. नको टाकू शेतीमध्ये, मी गेलेलो ना. हां म्हणून त्याचे सीड्स प्लांट केलेत ना. So look at this view. It's so damn peaceful. फाइनली यहाँ पहुँच गए एंड टाइम इज़ अराउंड लाइक 11:30, बट स्टिल बेटर बिकॉज गर्मी बिल्कुल नहीं हो रही. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ विंड ब्लोइंग, यू कैन सी हियर. एंड या
The weather is amazing. So I have the drone over here. I can fly the drone over here because यहाँ पे ज़्यादा restrictions है नहीं and there's hardly any people. So let's see. थोड़ा drone shot लेंगे. We'll chill out over here and I'll show you guys the place around. So there's one thing जो मैंने आज तक बताया नहीं in this particular in my videos कि यहाँ पे मैं 4th time आ रहा हूँ and last 3 times I never vlogged because this was one of the good place जो बहुत कम लोगों को पता है. And if you search the Vaitarana Astro photo shoot, I'll put the link in the description. You can find the photos which we have uploaded. There were hardly any people who have come over here. But let's see. Just check out the view. बहुत amazing हवा है यहाँ पे. I just hope the drones does the justice because I'm not sure कि drone इतने हवा में उड़ेगा कि नहीं. It's my first time and for the people who don't know, I bought the DJI Mini 2. उसका unboxing video is still pending. I'm still working on the video, so maybe after this video उसका video आ जाएगा. So till the time, let's enjoy some drone shots. I hope you like the drone shots because अभी तक properly उड़ाना सीखा नहीं हुआ, but I'm still learning and the stability of the drone is amazing. I still have to explore a lot. Besides, this location is just superb. अगर आपको यहाँ पे कभी आना हो ना, you can come at any point of time because there's nobody over here mostly. So यहाँ के you can chillax with your friends. You can actually come for a camping also. I've seen a lot of people जो उन्होंने bonfire किया था and tents भी थे. So that was a pretty good experience. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we had the breakfast. तो हम लोग अभी थोड़ा time chill out कर रहे हैं. We'll probably click some photos and then head back to home because बाद में traffic बढ़ जाएगा. So yeah, look at the view. So with that said, I'll get going.
Alright, so I'm heading home. So now it's time to go home. I've connected the charger because phone का battery बहुत ज़्यादा low था. And it's like 3 o'clock now. We spent a lot of time over here. So it's time for us to go back home because बाद में traffic बढ़ जाएगा यार. And yeah, it was cool in the start, but now you know it's starting to get a little warmer. So these people have already left. ये जो 10 मिनट का जो पैच है, you know, it's very bad. So बस एक बार वो ख़त्म हो जाए उसके बाद the roads are good to go. We are hungry, so we'll probably have lunch. उसके बाद we can go home properly.
A few minutes later.
So hey guys, and welcome back. I just had the lunch. It's 4:30, so we got a little delayed. I was super tired, so I did not vlog. So finally we're heading back home. It's like 5:45 in the evening and look at the sunset. We've been riding since morning. We saw the sunrise
and that is the amazing sunset. So yeah, look at the view, it's so damn amazing. I hope the camera is doing justice to the view. And this non-ABS biker is trying to pull it off. So it's like 6:45 in the evening and I am on the Bhiwandi road and यहाँ का traffic is pathetic. I'm not sure कितना और time लगने वाला है. So it was a wonderful day, but it's still yet to end because ये traffic से निकलना बहुत बड़ा task होने वाला है. So if you have enjoyed this video guys, for whatsoever reason, hit the like button, comment down what you think about this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Siddesh Shelar. अगर यहाँ तक आप देख ही रहे हो तो प्लीज़ ये सब्सक्राइब का बटन जो राइट साइड में नीचे आ रहा है प्लीज़ उसको दबा दीजिए, so that you don't miss out any updates for the upcoming videos. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. And yes, I do remember drone ka unboxing video is pending, so yeah, I'll probably make the drone unboxing video in the next vlog. So stay tuned and Merry Christmas for everybody who's watching it on 26th, that is tomorrow, आज 25th है. So yeah, bye guys.